Alright, imagine this. I'm sitting at my desk, coffee in hand, staring at a blinking cursor and a world of investment options. Let's be real, the stock market can be overwhelming. There's a new headline every minute, a new stock everyone's talking about. Where do I even start? That's when I stumble onto HotBot.com. Now HotBot isn't just some random search engine, it's more like my personal investing assistant. With a few clicks, I'm inside a dashboard that feels like it was built for people like me. Busy, curious, and looking for answers fast. First up, I type in Best Stocks 2025. Instantly, HotBot pulls up a hyper-detailed list. I'm talking real-time analysis, expert breakdowns, and even AI-generated projections. No more scrolling through endless blogs or outdated advice, this is cutting edge. But that's just the beginning. I want to know where the market is headed, not just what's hot right now. So I ask HotBot about long-term growth sectors. In seconds, it highlights AI, green energy, and biotech, complete with charts showing historic returns and risk factors. It's like getting a cheat sheet from the pros, but tailored to exactly what I'm looking for. I dig deeper. What about strategies? I type, how do top investors diversify? HotBot lays out clear, actionable steps, from balancing tech with blue chips to adding some international ETFs. It even shoots me a quick checklist. Have I set my goals? Am I reinvesting dividends? Have I thought about taxes? It feels like having an investment mentor right on my screen. And here's the kicker. HotBot isn't just dishing out generic advice. It starts learning what I like. The more I search, the more personalized the suggestions get. It even notifies me about market shifts that match my preferences. No more FOMO, no more missed opportunities. By now, I'm feeling confident. The research is done, the options are clear, and I'm ready to make my move. All thanks to a few smart searches. So if you're like me, someone who wants to invest smarter, not harder, give HotBot.com a try. It's the shortcut to investing like a pro, without the stress, without the guesswork. Your money deserves this. Let's make smart money moves together.